Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an Uber Eats user, you know how handy it is for quick deliveries, but what if you need to change your delivery address mid-order? In this 2025 update, Uber Eats has made it even easier with new features like voice commands and AI-assisted mapping. Whether you're at a new location or just correcting a slip-up, I'll walk you through the steps in under 2 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have the latest Uber Eats app installed on your phone. The 2025 version includes smart enhancements for smoother experiences. Start by opening the app and logging into your account. If you're not logged in, do that now to access your personalized settings. Next, either start a new order by searching for your favorite restaurant or go to your existing cart if you're editing an ongoing one. Once you're on the order screen, scroll to the top where you'll find the delivery details section. It's usually highlighted for quick access. Now, tap on the delivery address field. A pop-up or edit option will appear. Here, you can type in your new address manually. But with the 2025 update, try using the voice command feature. Just say, change address to your new address, if your device supports it. The app's AI will suggest the closest matches to save you time. After entering the new address, the app will verify it using real-time maps and show you an estimated delivery time. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any delays. Uber Eats might even warn you about potential issues like traffic or inaccessible areas. Finally, hit the confirm button and proceed with your order. You're all set. A quick tip: save frequently used addresses in your profile settings for even faster changes next time. There you have it. Changing your delivery address in Uber Eats is straightforward and efficient. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more how-to guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.